Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. Welcome back to Walking Around with Ralph. We're down here at the beautiful city of Elephant Butte, which also has a lake. Of course, it's not a natural lake, it's man-made. We're going to head into the town and visit it for a little bit, see what we can find out there, and maybe take a little walk around the lake. We'll be back at you. We're going to do a good walk around. We may get some good aerial footage of the lake too that we'll put on in a link down below in the description of our. So please like and subscribe. This is Ralph. We'll catch you here in a minute. We're going to let Heathcliff go out and get a little bit broader view of the sign here. Come here, Heathcliff. Good job, guy. Okie dokie. We're going to get Heathcliff to give us a little bit broader view of the area out here. Heathcliff been doing a pretty good job. We may have a replacement coming in for him in October or so, into September. We're looking forward to that Pro Max. Come on back here, baby. Okie dokie, we're still in Elephant Butte. We stopped here at the local VFW, which happens to have a beautiful little Veterans Memorial dedicated on July 4th. This memorial was erected in honor of the memory of all veterans, regardless of time, place, or branch of service. So in 1994, they did this. I love this because it's a ship's mast. Evidently, we might have had some Navy people in it. They have your bricks here with everybody's name on them that you can buy. This memorial is dedicated to the memory of those who served. Some died, some lived, some never returned, but none shall ever be forgotten. I was that which others did not want to be. I went where others failed to go and did what others failed to do. I asked nothing from those who give nothing, and reluctantly accepted the thought of eternal loneliness. Should I fail, I have seen the face of terror, felt the stinging cold of fear, and enjoyed the sweet taste of a moment's love. I have cried, pained, and hoped, but most of all, I have lived times others would say were best forgotten. I'm proud of what I was, a member of the United Armed Forces of the United States of America. So that's beautiful. It covers all of the services, Air Force, Marines, Navy, Army, Coast Guard, everyone. Alrighty, let's get a zoom out on this so we can get a better view of it. Okie dokie. I got Heathcliff doing the camera duties today. He's going to give us a broader view of this beautiful memorial. See if I can get this ship's mast in on the deal. Come on back here, Heathcliff. And I just want to make sure I get that ship's mast in. Like I said, former Navy here, so I've been up and down those yard arms a bunch of times. When I was up at the top of the superstructure on the main part of the aircraft carrier. Okie dokie, we're going to get Heathcliff to go do us a little bit broader view of this entire place. Maybe we can take it in. Heathcliff been doing a good job. We got a little bit of wind out here today, so he's having fun. Like I said, we're at Elephant Butte. We're about to go to the lake. Come here, bud. Well, here we are at beautiful downtown Elephant Butte Lake. The lake sure has dried up from what it used to be. This section I'm standing on was all underwater. Now, you can look back this direction and see it's pretty doggone dry out here. Come here, Heathcliff. I'm going to let you follow me for a little bit. Well, once upon a time here at this Elephant Butte Lake, you can see where the water used to come up to. Used to be able to take a boat between those two land masses out there. It's kind of sad to see it this way, but one of these days it'll rain. Maybe we'll get some more water up in it. We're just here for the day, so we're not going to get to see too much more water. Sad to see it this way, but that's the way it is. We got as much sand down here as we do rain. We're going to take a drive up to the butte maybe and see if we can take a look at it. Come here, Heathcliff. We're going to get a little bit broader view of the lake. Sure is sad to see it down this low. The water used to be way up past where I'm standing at, but I reckon we could use some rain. Come back here, Heathcliff. Good job, feller. Okie dokie, they won't let us fly a drone of any kind here. So I'm gonna have to use the phone to walk around this part of Elephant Butte. We're going to comply with their rules right here. And we'll do this part of the walk around. On the phone, here we go. Let's go to town and see what else we can find down there. There's the elephant, ain't she a beaut?
No.
Right there. There it is. Take it. We're not going to hurt you. There's another one coming from over there.
This is just what else.
Looky right here, guy.
I run and there comes another one. Thank you, Lord. There's another one there. That's a different color. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wake up.
Come on. Come on.
Somebody comes in here and feeds them peanuts. Look at all the peanut shells on the ground.